Hi, I have released a new automated MQL4 crowd algo trading system on January 1, 2021. This is a live experiment to show you what is working and why it is working. And I would like you to do it with me. Day 17 is January the 17th and it is a Sunday. Today I have released a lot of courses on professionalcourses.com, therefore I have not done any backtesting. I was absolutely not motivated to do that, but I have learned that I need to force myself to do even the stuff I don't want to do. I also don't like exercising. January is the top month for exercisers, because of the New Year resolutions. A famous speaker called Zig Ziglar once said that exercise is something that is like bathing. Both does not help if you only do it once, you need to do it on a consistent basis. In October 2018 I bought a treadmill and since that time I use it twice a week. I don't like running, but I like the effect. I have lost 28 pounds since I do that, but twice a week my mind is playing tricks on me. It starts in the morning when I think about what needs to be done that day. My mind comes up with several reasons why I can't run on the treadmill in the lunch break. Maybe something needs to be done and I don't have the time. Or I could have a technical issue with the treadmill. For months now I run twice a week, but it is still the same. I know that it works, I know that I lost weight. I know that I decided to do it and I don't like to negotiate with myself about it. And still my own brain is trying to find a way out of that situation. Maybe something with the running shoes could be wrong, or whatever. The result is that I show up on that treadmill, usually with a grumpy face and in a bad mood. The last time my daughter looked up from the laptop, saw me with my running shoes and decided to leave the room immediately. I have to admit that I have read a lot of books about motivation and human psychology, but until today I have not found a way to like running. I do it anyhow. Algorithmic trading also requires consistency and often it looks like the system would not work properly. The reason is simple, charts are drawn to represent numbers and they do it on a relative and not on an absolute basis. If you look on a MetaTrader chart, you will see that the price never reaches the upper or lower border of the chart. Therefore the size of a candle also changes on a relative basis. And a drawdown often looks like an unavoidable downfall. If you want to join this journey and benefit from the findings to improve your own algorithmic trading system, just keep watching this automated content and be my guest. So what do you think? Would you do your exercises, even if you don't want to do it? Let me know. If you have any suggestions, just send me an email. Thank you for your attention and best regards from still snowy Germany, Raymond Bauer.